Welcome. Today, discover how to turn Snapchat's My AI into your personal assistant for daily reminders, making your busy life a little more organized, one snap at a time. Let's get started with the basics. Snapchat's My AI is now available to all users, not just Snapchat Plus subscribers, and it's designed to help you with everything from trivia to planning your day. But one of its most useful features is setting quick, personalized reminders right inside the app. Here's how you can set up a daily reminder using My AI. First, open Snapchat and head to the chat screen. You can do this by swiping right from the camera screen. At the top of your chat list, you'll see My AI, ready to help. Tap on My AI to open your chat with the assistant. Now simply type your reminder in a natural way. For example, you could write, "Remind me to drink water at 3 p.m. My AI understands plain language, so there's no need for complicated commands. Just ask as you would a friend. Once you send your message, My AI will quickly confirm your reminder. You'll get a response letting you know that your reminder is set. When the time comes, My AI will send you a notification, making sure you never miss that important task or healthy habit. This feature is perfect for keeping track of anything, whether it's a meeting, taking medication, or just remembering to stand up and stretch. And because it's built right into Snapchat, you don't need to juggle multiple apps or set up complicated calendars. Just chat, set, and get reminded. To recap, open a chat with My AI, type your reminder in your own words, and wait for the confirmation. My AI does the rest, sending you a timely notification when you need it most. So try it out today, and let Snapchat's My AI help you stay on top of your daily routine with just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to make the most of your day with a little help from My AI.